Hello, welcome to my channel. This video is sponsored by Apple iPhone, and today I'm just going to deliver the specs of iPhone 9. So if you're new on my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment on my channel. And please don't forget to like this video. So let's start. Today I'm just going to review about Apple iPhone 9 and its specifications. So Apple iPhone 9 announced date is September 2017. Its release date is 2017 and it's September. And if we talk about its technology, then it comes with GSM and HSPA and LTE. And if we talk about its bands, it comes with 2G band, 3G band, and 4G band, or three versions. In 2G band, it's comes with GSM 850, 900, 1800, and 1900. In 3G band, it comes with HSTPA 850, 900, 1700. And if we talk about its 4G band, it comes with lots of variants. If we talk about its speed, then it comes with 3.1 megabyte per second speed. So yes, it includes the edge. If we talk about its dimensions, then it comes with 5.45 into 2.65 into 0.929 dimensions. If we talk about its weight, it comes with 148 gram weight. So, and if we talk about its weight, then it comes with 148 gram weight. And if we talk about its build, it comes with front back glass and aluminum frame. So it comes with LED blacklist LCD. Its size is 4.7 inches size. Its resolution is 750 into 1334 pixels. And if we talk about this iOS, then it comes with iOS 11. If we talk about this chipset, it comes with Apple A11 Bionic. So there is no card slot. So it's sort of drawback of it that it have no card slot. If we talk about this internal memory, then it comes with 64 by 256 GB, 2 GB RAM. And if we talk about this primary, it comes with 12 megapixel. And if we talk about face detection, if we come with flash dual tone. And if we talk about its features, then it comes with geotagging, simultaneously 4K video and 8 megapixel image recording, and it comes with touch focus and face smile detection, HDR photo panorama. If we talk about its video, then it comes with 2160 pixels, and if we talk about its FPS, then it comes with 30 FPS, 60 FPS, and 24 FPS. So it comes with different sound options. It comes with vibrations, property ringtones, and if we talk about its loudspeaker, then it comes with stereo speakers. So it has active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. And if we talk about this VLAN, it comes with Wi-Fi with dual band hotspot, and also it supported Bluetooth up to 5.0. And yes, it's with Galileo, GLONASS, and GPS provider. If we talk about its NFC, and it's come with yes Apple Pay only. You can use Apple Pay. There is no radio in it, and it uses 2.0 reversible connector. If we talk about its sensor, then it comes with fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer. Messaging, iMessaging, SMS, MMS, email, push email. If we talk about Java, then there is no Java. And yes, it's fast battery charging. If you have a fast battery charger of Apple iPhone 9 Plus, then it just be done in 30 minutes. Yes, it support wireless charging. Yes, it's very natural language commands and they like dictations. It support iCloud services. It support MP3 lossless player. It support MP4 audio video photo editor. It also have document editor. So the user rating about on this website, users rate it 4.1, about 46 reviews. And if we talk about its price, then it come with which is rumored have what features that will win millions of hearts and will prove to the best-selling smartphone, which Apple has always been. It consists 5.8 inches OLED Super Retina, and it has A11 chipset for smooth, effective functionality and powered by octa-core processor. This device is paired with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB built-in memory. And if we talk about its battery, then it's concerned with 2050 milliampere battery capacity. And if we talk about its rear camera, it's concerned with iPhone 9 as a 12 megapixel camera. So I think that this is the best. If we talk about its finally, wait is over and it's time to take first look of Apple iPhone 9 absent from the last year's list, but Apple is branding rightful owner, which is true success to the Apple iPhone 8, which is going to complete Apple's latest series. iPhone has suggested numbers or name is 9. Screen size of the display is 6.1 inches, which is enormous. One of this type of display is new for Apple iPhone 9. As usual, vendor the display panel for the brand is Samsung, which is the biggest rival to. But for the production of the display and make the iPhone 9 great, some sacrifices are very necessary to be made by Apple to beat its competitor and make Apple iPhone 9's performance better. They have improved the software performance of the 9 iOS 12 is the software which we will see in the next graphic from this phone. So this is huge description, and I think that in this price this is good. So also the price is good and the features Apple iPhone 9 is using is too much and it's good than Apple iPhone 8. So if you are planning to buy a phone in this budget, then I think it's good for you. It's good choice. So it also supports Visa, Mastercard, and also it's supported Amex card, American Express card. So I hope that you like this video and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.